Lily was overjoyed. This was her chance to share her singing with others. However, as the day of the talent show approached, her doubts and fears began to resurface. On the day of the talent show, Lily felt nervous and scared. She took deep breaths and reminded herself of her passion for singing. When it was her turn to perform, she stepped onto the stage, closed her eyes, and began to sing. As Lily sang, her nerves began to fade away. She sang with passion and confidence, pouring all her emotions into the performance. When she finished, the audience erupted into applause. Lily was stunned. She had never felt so alive. From that moment on, Lily's life changed. She continued to sing and perform, slowly gaining confidence with each performance. She started to believe in herself and her abilities, and she began to take risks and try new things. Lily's singing began to attract the attention of music producers and talent scouts. She was offered a recording contract and soon found herself on tour, performing in front of thousands of people every night. Lily was living her dream, and she felt grateful for every moment of it. However, as Lily's fame grew, so did the pressure. She was constantly under the scrutiny of the media and the public, and she struggled to maintain her confidence and sense of self. Lily began to doubt herself again, wondering if she was really as talented as people said. One day, after a particularly difficult performance, Lily met an older woman named Sarah. Sarah was a retired singer who had once been famous herself. She had seen Lily perform and was impressed by her talent. "I know what you're going through," Sarah said. "Fame can be overwhelming, but don't forget why you started singing in the first place. You have a gift, and it's important to share it with the world." But don't let the pressures of fame change who you are. Stay true to yourself, and you'll always be happy. Lily took Sarah's words to heart. She realized that her love for singing was more important than anything else. She began to focus on her music again, pouring all her energy and passion into her performances. As time went by, Lily continued to sing and perform, but she also became an advocate for mental health and self-care. She spoke openly about her struggles with self-confidence and the pressure of fame, encouraging others to stay true to themselves and never give up on their dreams. Lily's story serves as a reminder that even when we doubt ourselves, we have the power to overcome our fears and achieve our goals. By pursuing our passions and staying true to ourselves, we can find success and happiness, no matter what challenges we may face along the way. With hard work, determination, and a little bit of self-belief, anything is possible.